Ever wished there was a simpler way to pay online, one that rewarded you for every transaction? What if I told you there is, and it's called FavePay? Forget juggling multiple cards or trying to remember complex passwords. FavePay offers a seamless, secure, and rewarding online payment experience that's changing the game for savvy shoppers. Traditionally, FavePay was known for its in-store QR code payments, giving you instant cashback at your favorite local spots. But as the world shifted more towards online shopping, FavePay evolved too. Now, you can enjoy the same convenience and benefits directly from your laptop or mobile browser when shopping with participating online merchants. It's all about making your digital purchases smoother and more rewarding. So, how exactly do you bring the magic of FavePay to your online shopping cart? Let's break it down, step by step. The process is surprisingly straightforward, whether you're on a desktop or a mobile device. First things first, you'll need the Fave app installed on your smartphone and a linked payment method, like your credit or debit card. If you don't have it yet, a quick download from your app store and a simple setup will get you ready in minutes. Now, let's imagine you found that perfect item online and are ready to check out. When you reach the payment page, look for the FavePay option. It's usually clearly displayed alongside other payment methods. Select FavePay as your preferred choice, and this is where the magic happens. If you're shopping on a desktop computer, you'll see a unique QR code appear on your screen. This is your cue to open your Fave app on your phone. Tap on the scan button within the app, and then simply point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen. The Fave app will instantly recognize the transaction. Your screen, both on your computer and within the app, will then refresh to show that your payment is being processed. For those of you shopping directly from your mobile device, the process is even more streamlined. After selecting FavePay at checkout, you'll automatically be redirected to your Fave app. Here, you'll see a summary of your payment details. Just confirm the amount and proceed with the payment. It's that easy. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation on both your web browser and within your Fave app. And here's the best part, any partner cashback you've earned will be instantly reflected in your Fave account, ready for your next purchase. This means you're not just buying, you're saving and getting rewarded with every transaction. It's a fantastic way to stretch your money further, especially when you're a frequent online shopper. FavePay isn't just about convenience, it's also about security. Your payment details are encrypted and handled securely through the Fave app, minimizing the risks associated with entering your card information on multiple websites. Plus, with the added benefit of cashback, it truly makes online shopping a more financially smart endeavor. So next time you browse for deals, remember FavePay and unlock a world of seamless payments and instant rewards. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.